How to trade on Gemini. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following video, I'll be showing you the ways to trade on Gemini app. So in order to trade on Gemini app, first thing first, make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, open up a web browser and then log in into your Gemini app. So in order to log in into your Gemini app, go ahead and type in gemini.com. If you're using a mobile device, either way the procedure is going to remain the same. Now since I'm doing the video from my laptop or a PC, because the interface won't appear due to some security concerns. So over here, what you'll have to do is you need to tap the login button, enter in your credential, and then log in into your Gemini app. Once you're logged in, so it's very simple to trade on Gemini app. All you need to do is just tap the market tab, and then you'll be able to find a list of options. So you'll need to go ahead and select the crypto you'd like to buy or sell, or that you wish to trade. After you've done selecting the crypto, then tap on trade and then tap the sell button. After that, enter the amount of crypto you want to sell and then tap a review order at the bottom of your screen and go through it all. Make sure to confirm your trade, and that's basically how you can trade on Gemini app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.